They're gonna cut this out. So this is kind of disrespectful.
You guys ready to go home? Let's go.
Oh, I missed one other box of stuff that we didn't really look at. So,
Oh yeah.
we got.
Oh yeah, these are nice.
Yeah,
these are
those
way nicer than the ones I got.
I've got 4 more of the
Where do-
rubber ones.
Oh, so these are the.
These are the same. Yeah, this is just
Okay.
a newer version of it. So, if you're gonna use those, I'll hang on to these.
Yeah, I'll use these ones.
Okay, and then these are not. These are like from a newer one. They don't have like the little
Okay,
dents in them,
I'll try and see if it.
but they'll still fit. But
Okay.
anyway, you can have those.
Things in general, I guess, but.
Yeah. Just put them right here underneath your. That should do it. This will be a little thick. Oh yeah,
Side by side,
flat.
and then I can put this one on top of those. We're back. This is the aftermath. Oh boy, this car needs to be cleaned. Oh yeah, it's pretty nasty in here. We'll get this thing cleaned out. Here's some of the parts that I got on my trip along the way home. I got the brake backing plates to mount all my brake components to. I do need to try to get these adjustment screws loosened up so I can actually adjust my brakes. I got a bunch of glass, different glass, front glass, side glass. I got a box of all kinds of goodies. I got some emergency brake parts. I got door handle parts. I got an ashtray, although I think I'll end up just taking the plate off of this, put it on my ashtray box. Here I also got some little data plates. There's more in there, but this one is way nicer than mine. Mine's pretty corroded. So I think as long as I can try to get this red paint off, I'll use this one instead. Yeah, it was quite a blessing to get that because this stuff is expensive. It really is. And it's what I need to finish the brakes as long as I hooked them up right. I was lucky enough to get these parts from one of the viewers that watches my videos, and I watch his videos. He's working on the same vehicle, or he was working on it. His is done. I think he's working out some kinks right now, but his is basically done. But the Tool Man, I think is the name of his channel. It's just the Tool Man, or Tool Man Tim. I'll put a link in the description in case you want to go look at his if you're interested in the Willys trucks. I'm definitely learning a lot looking at his to see how he's doing his, get some ideas. Anyways, he offered some parts and we were driving by there on the way home from our trip, so stopped by and grabbed him, and I'm really lucky that I have it, and so I really appreciate that. I don't know how much work I'm gonna get done this week. I mean, these mosquitoes are getting crazy out here. We're getting ready for going back to school, shopping, cleaning the cars out, all kinds of stuff. So I may take one more week before I post some videos. I have some old video that I haven't made into a YouTube ready show yet, I guess. So I might be able to put something together in the meantime. But yeah, more to come. But for now, this is it. Thanks for watching.
Tumbleweed Garage.